So the biggest question is dropshipping dead in 2021? Now, I don't really want to waste any of your time. I want to get straight to the point in this video. And this is actually reflecting my own personal opinion because I have had successful Shopify stores, if that's just marketing, building a brand, or dropshipping. As you can see, I've had quite a lot of data. I've spent quite a bit of money on Facebook. So I like to think that I know what I'm talking about. Now, dropshipping isn't necessarily dead if you know what you're doing. It's almost like anything in life. The harder you work at something, the better results you get. Now, what Facebook have ended up doing is they've basically stopped you tracking people. So if you typed in Google that you was looking at a jacket, on Facebook a few hours later or a few days later, that jacket would appear on Facebook. And that is just how Facebook and social media track you as an individual person. And although Facebook and Instagram ads are still very simple to create by creating a conversion campaign, selecting your audience, this, that, the other, they've made it a lot harder due to the fact that you can't track those people like you used to be able to. For example, in your Shopify store, it may show 10 sales for the day, but your Facebook ads manager has spent £100 and it's only showing 4 sales when you know the only sales has come through from Facebook. So the data isn't really correct. Back in the day, it used to be so much easier to simply find a product on AliExpress or Alibaba, set up a Shopify store, run some ads, and just get flawless sales for very, very cheap. And I experienced that over the gap of a year and a half when I was first selling this specific product, which actually was my first ever Shopify store. My cost per conversion, which basically means anybody who's purchased it for a Facebook ad, was about £1 or £2. And as the months went on and more people were selling the same item on Facebook and Instagram adverts, it went up to like £6 or £7, and I was only selling the product for £10. So it really didn't make sense for me to start selling that item anymore because it was just so overinflated. The best way I can describe my product without giving away my product, it was pretty much a fidget spinner where it just went viral, and then who the hell has a fidget spinner anymore? Like, hardly anybody, maybe a few kids, but they're not as actively selling as they used to be. So it comes down to the fact that dropshipping and building a brand and marketing with Facebook and Instagram ads isn't necessarily dead if you know what you're doing and you know how to specifically target your audience for that specific product. If any of you are watching this video and you're worried that you've only just started dropshipping, you don't really know what you're doing, the best advice I'd give you from somebody who has spent £50,000 on Facebook ads and has had a successful dropshipping store / building a brand store is just take your time to look through the data and pay attention to who is actually purchasing your product, so you know how to target those people in more detail. 40 or 50% of your advertising budget goes to waste on people who don't care about your pair of insoles that you're selling or your new clothing brand. They probably don't even buy designer clothes. So you have to basically make sure your budget that you've set on Facebook is going to those who are at least interested in your product, that hopefully you can actually upsell and sell your product to. So like I said at the beginning of this video, is dropshipping dead? Personally, I think it's not dead if you know what you're doing, but it is dead if you think you can just click publish on an ad and not monitor it at all, because all that's going to happen is your advertising budget is going to be completely and utterly drained. But thank you guys for watching this video. As you can see, this is my brand new YouTube channel, so if you guys can smash that like button and give me a comment down below of if you have started up dropshipping, if you're new to dropshipping, if you're an expert at dropshipping, let me know. Guys, thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.